Now in this video, let's look at what we have here. We have to prove that exponential power x is equal to 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x power 4 over 4 factorial, and the series continues. That's what you have to prove in this particular video. But we are looking at this, it's somehow technical, but it's very, very simple. You get it? Now, this is the solution to this problem. Now, we are going to prove this using the Maclaurin series, or we call it power series. So we can say by using the Maclaurin series, Now, before you can use the series, it will be very odd that you are using a series you don't know how to apply it. You see? So first of all, you have to tell us how Maclaurin series looks like before you can apply it. You get it? Now we know that Maclaurin series f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x multiplied by f prime of 0 plus x squared multiplied by f prime of 0 all over 2 factorial plus x cubed multiplied by f prime of 0 all over 3 factorial plus x power 4 multiplied by f ib, because after I is ib of 0 all over 4 factorial, and the series continues. Now, this is how Maclaurin series look like. Now, f prime stands for first derivative of the function. F prime means second derivative of the function. F prime third derivative. Fiv fourth derivative. Fb like that. That's what it means. Now, this is how you're going to place this. Now, f of x, the function is what? You have to put that exponential for x, and the function is what? Exponential power x. That's for f of x. Now, f of 0 means exponential. In place of x, you are replacing it with what? 0, exponential power 0. And we know that exponential power 0 is the same thing as what? 1. Because a number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Remember, the exponential is a constant in mathematics, and it has a value. So that value that it has raised to the power of 0 is 1. You get it? Now let's continue. We have f prime of x. F prime of x means you're differentiating this. You differentiate exponential power x. So if you differentiate exponential power x, it's given to have exponential power x. The derivative of this function is the function itself. Now, f prime of 0 means exponential power 0, which is what? 1. You get it? Now, f prime of x means we are still going to differentiate exponential power x. And the differentiate is we are still going to have exponential power x, which is what? F prime of 0. Means that once you have differentiated this function twice, you substitute what x stands for. You know x is what? 0, because I'm taking f of 0. So you now bring it out exponential power 0, which is still the same thing as what? 1. Now let's do it one more time. F prime of x will give us, differentiate exponential power x, is given to have exponential power x, and that will give us f prime of 0 means exponential power 0, which is the same thing as what? 1. So you can see, now this is what we are going to do. Let's bring it out now. Exponential x is equal to f of 0. F of 0. Where is f of 0? This is f of 0. And what is the value of f of 0? F of 0 is what? 1. So you bring it out. F of 0 is what? 1. Plus the function f of x is exponential x. You get it? Which is equal to f of 0 here is what? 1. So 1 plus what is here? X multiplied by f prime of 0. Now this f prime of 0. F prime of 0 is what? 1. So 1, everything here is 1. So 1 times x will give us what? X. We continue again. X squared is what? This f prime of 0. F prime of 0 is where f prime of 0 is. And f prime of 0 is what? 1. F prime of 0 0 is what? 1. So 1 times x squared is the same thing as what? X squared all over what? 2 factorial. You get it? This will be x squared over 2 factorial. Now it continues and look at this. X power 3 multiply f prime 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 of 0. F prime 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 of 0 here is what? 1. F prime 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 of 0 is what? 1. So since everything here is 1, 1 times x cubed will give us what? X cubed all over what? 3 factorial. 3 factorial. You get it? And remember, the series C what continues like that in that sequence. So we can now say that exponential for x is the same thing as 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial, and the series continues. Now you can see we are asked to prove that this function is equal to the series we have here. Now you can see after we use the Maclaurin series to evaluate this particular function and to bring out the power series of this, you can see that exponential power is the same thing as everything. So if we continue to differentiate and come down, we are going to have up to the x power 4th step. Like that, the sequence will repeat itself and will be going down to anywhere we decide to stop. But for the sake of clarity, I decided to pick the first 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 non-zero terms. And this is how it is. So we can say that this has been proven that what? Exponential for x is equal to 1 plus x over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x power 4 over 4 factorial. The series continues like that. You can see how